crazy. That was like
that was 70
for, like, to start. Man.
When you are just driving around normally,
Yeah.
it's very normal.
It is.
It's tame. But then when you get into it, it's crazy. Ready? Buckled up? Here we go. It's crazy.
This is the next level. I'm just getting stuck to the seats every time. What are the other cars that you like that's almost like similar to this?
There's nothing similar to this.
No?
This is such a fast SUV. This is
Okay.
all-wheel drive, so the launches are just crazy.
Yeah. It just jumps as soon as when you press it. Man, this is a monster car. Man, that was, I don't know. It felt crazy. Yeah. Amazing customer service. Guys, you guys are all amazing. I like it.
Why would you drive a stock one when you can drive this?